We've come here today to fit the new Niteflood from JCC. The weather's not been great today. Floodlight and the PIR both are IP65, which works great when you're obviously outdoors fitting it. Doesn't stop me working out in the rain, so it makes no difference to me. The light fitting that was there previously wasn't fitted correctly, wrong cable installed. So what we've done is we've just put a whisker box in, put the light fitting above it, just to hide it. Makes it a nice, easy, clean job. The bracket itself is great because you can tilt the light fitting completely out of the way, screw the light to the wall, job done. You can then tilt it back, screw it all up, tighten it up. It's pretty easy. The rubber H05 flex is great because it comes pre-fitted. It means you can just turn up, screw it to the wall. It saves time, which also saves money on the job at the end of the day. These lights look great because once you fitted them, you've got the Opal diffuser, which means you don't see all the LED chips, so you don't have to look at it. It looks quite nice when it's on the wall. It goes from 10 watts to 50 watts. It means depending where you install it, can depend how bright you want the area. It doesn't affect the look of the light. They all have the same light fitting, just with either a PIR at the bottom or not. And white and black also gives you the options for whatever house you have. The Niteflood's got a unique breather gland. Never seen it on any other floodlight, so it's great for these ones. It means it can last longer. Definitely recommend the new Niteflood from JCC. Nice, easy floodlight to fit, so perfect.